I'm sitting in coach. I don't really like it. I got Charlie in the other seat, Aaron and Mitchell. They both smell really bad. I think it's just they're those people that you just have to deal with, and when you get, it was only like a 3-hour flight, 2.5 hours. So I mean, they're kind of like a crying baby. I mean, they're really annoying, but they eventually die down and fall asleep. So I don't really know. We're gonna be landing in JFK. What do I think about JFK? Wait, was that the question? JFK. Never been there. Don't really know much about it. Just said it's in New York. Justin Vanny says it's a great place. Well, it's JFK stands for John F. Kennedy. Didn't know that. I'm gonna drink my ginger ale now and eat my Delta Skyline cookies.